Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another unboxing video. I'm Mr. DS18 and today we got the ZXI8s. Two versions, two different speakers, same power, similar specs. One doesn't have a bullet, the other one does have a bullet. ZXI8M and the ZXI8.4BM. Let's open up the ZXI8M. Let's check it out, see some specs. Then we're going to load up on the board. Then we're going to do the ZXI8.4BM. Load up on the board, blast some music, and you guys can check them out. Let's get this started. ZXI8M. Sticker, manual, this out of the way. I love the ZXI series because it comes with that plastic trimming. Real nice, that plastic trimming around it. So, we got paper, cone, cloth surround, the plastic trimming. DS18 butt connectors. This is a 1.5 inch voice coil. This is 8-inch speaker, 8 ohms. This is an 8 ohm speaker. 350 watts RMS, 700 watts max power. It can hold up to frequency responses from 80 hertz all the way to 8 kilohertz. So it gets pretty loud. It does have sensitivity of 99 dBs. So this bad boy is pretty insane. Aluminum basket, nice stamp on the back, DS18, ZXI8M, real nice speaker. Now let's check out the ZXI8.4BM. Very similar specs, but a different design. Stickers, manual. Let's get this out of the way. There we go. Awesome. Check it out. Check this one out. Love the plastic trimming. Nice black bullet. Then you got the paper cone, cloth surround, the butt connectors, nice aluminum basket, also stamped on the back. Pro ZXI8.4BM. 700 watts max power, 350 watts RMS. This is a 4 ohm version. This is a 1.5 inch voice coil. Sensitivity is 99 dBs as well. This frequency response is from 80 hertz all the way to 12.5 kilohertz. This one screams a little bit more than this one, and it's because of that bullet in the middle. Check it out. Real nice speakers, very similar specs. Not what you guys want. Let's load them up. Let's put some music. Let's enjoy them. We like it loud. Let's get this out of the way. Let's start off. So we got both of them loaded up. We're going to start off with the BM and then we're going to go off with the M. I have a track picked out. As you can see, they're both turned off. I'm going to turn the BM on right now. Put some volume, lower the volume, turn it off, then turn on the M. And you guys tell me what you think. So here we go. We're gonna start the track, turn off the BM, turn on the M, and play. And there you guys have it. ZXI8M, ZXI8.4BM. Check them out. Links will be dropped down below. I'm Mr. DS18 and we like it loud.